BeautyBox subscribers, and welcome to this month's unboxing video for the month of March. My name is Valerie, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys each and every goodie that came in your boxes this month. We are so excited that you finally have this amazing box in your hands, so stay tuned for the reveal. Okay, so this month, get ready. We have an amazing box for you. This is our Spring Fling 2022 March Beauty Box. All of your guys' beauty boxes came with a little pamphlet that says Spring Fling on it that breaks down each and every product. So if you have that out in front of you, feel free to follow along. And if you stay till the end, there will be a nice surprise for you. Maybe some of you guys know what this is, but it's a promo code. All right, here it is. Okay, so the first product that came in your guys' beauty boxes this month is one of our top sellers for so many reasons, and we'll definitely get into it, but this is our drama-free repair serum. Oh, so good. Honestly, this is such an amazing product if you struggle with sun damage, fine lines, rosacea, scarring, acne, laser, or even chemically treated skin. Drama Free has some amazing key ingredients in here like soluble beta-glucans and sodium hyaluronate. This is going to work over time to give you this beautiful glow that you've all been deserving. And it even continues to teach the skin how to repair itself. I mean, how amazing is that? If you guys haven't tried this already, now's your time. The next goodie that we have in our March beauty box is a full-size refill of the Youth Accelerator Apple Stem Cell Repair Serum. So before I get into talking about how amazing this product truly is, I really want to tell you guys about our refill program. If you guys aren't already familiar with our refill program, we are so lucky to work with an organization called the Eden Reforestation Project, where whenever you purchase a refill, you are helping us plant a tree. Not only do you guys get to refill your bottles and even save money by purchasing the refill packets, you're helping the earth. To read more about the Eden Reforestation Project, head over to the About section of our website to read more about it. Okay, Youth Accelerator, everybody give a round of applause for this absolute gem of a serum. I cannot rave about this product enough. If you don't have a bottle for Youth Accelerator already, it is totally okay to use the refill itself. Just make sure that you're screwing that cap on extremely tight so there's no spillage. Youth Accelerator is going to slow and reverse the signs of aging. It's going to improve collagen production, prevent stem cell deterioration, and most importantly, it's going to increase renewal in your skin. So, who should use this? Believe it or not, you don't already need to be experiencing fine lines and wrinkles in order to use something like this. Collagen production rapidly declines starting at the age of 25, so hop on this ASAP. Trust me guys, you are never too young and you are never too mature to start incorporating age-reversing products into your daily routine. This is an absolute must at every stage of life. It contains a time-released form of vitamin C, which is gonna help repair and reverse the effects of sun damage. As some of you know, sun exposure is the #1 cause for signs of aging. I can go on and on about how amazing this product truly is. So I definitely recommend checking out our website for more information about Youth Accelerator. Next up, we have this cute little travel-size version of our True Salvation Immaculate Complexion Serum. Put it in your purse, take it where it wants to go, bada bing, bada boom. Now this serum right here is for my people that struggle with breakouts and blemishes. True Salvation contains 10% glycolic and salicylic acid that's going to resurface the skin and leave you with a fresh new face. True Salvation really goes deep down and kills all of that bacteria that's living on the surface of your skin, and it's going to fight off future breakouts. It also has beta-glucans, green tea, and licorice extract that's gonna help calm and soothe the skin. So you really don't need to be worried about this irritating your skin if you're more on the sensitive side. The next item that we have is another cute travel size product. This is our Love Thy Face Miracle Moisturizer. Everyone needs a good moisturizer in their skincare routine, and I'll tell you why. It is so amazingly important that you're going to be sealing all of the amazing skincare that you're using with a moisturizer. Love Thy Face is going to act as your moisture barrier, and it's going to protect your skin. This product right here is for the ones that deal with dry and sensitive skin. Love Thy Face is called a miracle moisturizer because it's going to help smooth the fine lines, it's going to firm your skin, and it's going to balance your skin. So if you love your skin or you're wanting to show your skin some more love, start using Love Thy Face on the regular. I promise your skin is going to thank you. Now for some makeup goodies. I know we're all excited about these. This right here is our date night lip pencil. This is one of my favorite shades. I'm currently wearing it right now, so you can truly see how beautiful it really is. What I love about our lip pencils is that you don't have to scour around to try to find your sharpener. This is built in right here on the cap of the pencil. So cool. If you've been subscribed to our beauty boxes now for a while, you are well aware that every month we launch a new product that you get to try before anybody else does. I'm gonna need a drum roll here. This is our new lip glaze in the shade Spring Fling in honor of this month's box. It is such a pretty shade. It's going to give you the most amazing coverage, color, pigment, everything above. This is such a pretty color. This month we included this adorable black palm beanie that has our Beauty Society logo on it. It's so adorable. I can't wait to wear this. If you guys are still watching and you've made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. These videos really just help us show you guys what we have in store every month. And now it's time for everybody's favorite part of these videos, the promo codes. This month we are giving you guys $20 off a $60 order towards your next purchase for loving our company so much and being a BeautyBox subscriber. Just be sure to use your $20 off code by the end of April. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's unboxing video for the March Beauty Box. Spring Fling, spring is in the air, and I swear you guys, if you guys use all of these products that are in this box right now, your skin is going to be glowing like the sun does in springtime. No pun intended. Bye everyone.